My name is Professor Dan Blinka. I'm a member of the Marquette Law Faculty where I've taught since 1985. I'm also a 1978 graduate of the University of Wisconsin Law School and was fortunate enough to have the benefit of the diploma privilege. I'm also a member of the Board of Bar Examiners, and we are charged with administering admission to the bar, whether it's through bar examination or diploma privilege. At our meeting yesterday, the Board of Bar Examiners decided that there are so many problems and flaws with this petition that we voted unanimously to oppose it. One of the principal weaknesses of the petition is the thought that by eliminating 3 words in the Supreme Court rules that we can very easily and without trouble open the door to graduates of all 197 accredited law schools in the United States and Puerto Rico to apply for admission in Wisconsin. And that's problematic on many levels. First of all, it would be a administrative nightmare to say the least. But administrative problems can be worked through. The more fundamental problem with it is the idea that by simply graduating from an ABA accredited law school, you are, by that reason alone, competent to practice law in Wisconsin. And what we know through our very long experience is that the faculty at UW Law School and the faculty at Marquette Law School stresses, where appropriate, the content of Wisconsin law. So over the course of a 3-year legal education, whether it's through doctrinal classroom courses or whether it's through the numerous clinical and internship placements sponsored by Marquette and UW, our students get such a rich and deep exposure to Wisconsin law that somebody simply cramming for a bar exam cannot duplicate. And this has worked very, very well for over 100 years in Wisconsin. So we just simply can't assume that the graduate of a law school in California or Florida, by virtue of an ABA accredited degree, is going to be competent to practice in this state. The other thing is that the Board of Bar Examiners is now actively re-examining the bar admission process generally, and even taking a hard look at the bar exam itself to determine whether we are adequately testing not just the basic knowledge, but also the skill sets that practicing lawyers need. So I look forward to the hearing this Thursday before the Wisconsin Supreme Court, where I'm sure these and many other issues will be discussed. Thank you.